What's up, guys? We haven't done one of these for a while. Jake versus James. It's a thing we love to do because, you know, we're quite competitive. So we've done a few of these before in terms of shooting. We did an archery one and we did an air gun pistol one. This time we've got ourselves a new Airsoft Rifle M4 and we just had a little test and it's awesome. So we're going to put it to the test properly. We've got a tiny, tiny little target. We're going to do 3 stages. We're going to go 7 meters, 10 meters, and then 15 meters. The point system is self-explanatory, it's all on the target. We're going to go 3 shots with the rifle each on semi-automatic and 1 shot with the pistol per round, okay? And we might add a little nice bonus round in. So let's do it!
Get your goggles on.
Safety first.
Jake, round 1.
I've absolutely no idea where that is. That's terrible, I think. One with the pistol. Oh, miles off.
Oh dear.
Oh, that was poor.
So,
that was very poor. I got a 0.567. Yeah.
solid 18 to start with.
Oh dear. That's not good.
What do you think?
I honestly can't see a thing, so I have no idea.
What went there? So
Ooh, I was way too low. My pistol must have been miles off.
there. Yeah, 1 ahead.
But only being 1 behind after the first round is, it's acceptable.
One ahead. Ooh, a 0. That's a bit better. I adjusted for the errors the first time. I'm a bit happy with that, especially because it's 3 meters further back. Come on, James!
Let's go, James.
Oh, let's go for a jog.
Shut up, James. Oh no. So we've got a 5, 2 9s, and a 0.
23. Ooh. Still 1 point behind with
15 meters.
15 meters! Oh my god.
Seems like nothing for a real gun, but this is Airsoft.
No. Okay. Round 3.
Third and final round.
Fuck. Metal. That ain't bad.
That's what I like to hear.
Cardboard. Oh no.
Good job.
7 and a 9, that's it.
And then 1 over here.
On this steel?
17 to draw, 18 to win. That's gone a long way. Oh, they sounded good.
I haven't actually got a point with the pistol in the first 2 rounds. I got a 10.
Oh no.
Oh, dude, not gonna lie.
Oh my lord,
That was
James.
actually okay.
Got a 10 and 2 9s.
And
Down there maybe. Pistol's definitely off target. Well, sir.
ooh, I think I found my weapon. I'm a rifle boy.
I'm gonna have to fuck you up with a sniper challenge. First shooting competition I've ever lost. But, bonus round.
It's still to come.
Bonus round. 10 meters, fully automatic rifle. Say 2 seconds, timed, however many points. That's what we get.
So, whenever you're ready. under pressure.
It's the taking part that counts, remember?
Yeah, indeed.
I still want to win. I think Jake's won that on the bonus round. Oh. Let's go find out.
Woo!
Okay, so after 4 rounds, we have a winner.
We do. And it's not me. I can't believe it. But let's be fair. I won the first round.
Yep.
We drew the second round.
Yep.
James won the third round.
Yep.
And I won the bonus round. So if you get it like that, I won. But
Just ask Hillary Clinton.
overall, if you count the individual scores, James did win. The final score was...
Let me check my paper. It was 186 to Jake and 193 to me. So after a total of 32 and 31 shots, we were only 7 different.
That's a good game, I enjoyed that. Good game, sir. Good game.
Okay.
I'm sure we'll see you guys next week for a sniper challenge, because we do have a lovely sniper rifle on its way. Should be here tomorrow, so we'll get on that right away.
Yep. So please subscribe so you'll be alerted when we put it out.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully some more cool airsoft videos coming soon if you enjoy this one. Bye bye.